Words of the day. Save the Earth. Richard Buckminster Fuller. My ideas have undergone a process of emergence by emergency. When they are needed badly enough, they are accepted. Pollution is nothing but the resources we are not harvesting. We allow them to disperse because we've been ignorant of their value. Nature is trying very hard to make us succeed, but nature does not depend on us. We are not the only experiment. Either war is obsolete or women and men are. Tombs are the clothes of the dead, and a grave is a plain suit, while an expensive monument is one with embroidery. I look for what needs to be done. After all, that's how the universe designs itself. Search others for their virtue, and yourself for your vices. Everyone is born a genius, but the process of living de-geniuses them. Integrity is the essence of everything successful. Words of the day. Save the Earth.